Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop viewers from uploading your clips on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Enable the creation of clips from your stream or past broadcast. User who can create clips will also be able to trim, title, and edit the portrait layout of the clips they create. And also by default, your clips, people will see your clips on Twitch. They can share it to their social like YouTube, TikTok, or other social media platform. But what if you want to stop them allowing for uploading your clips? It's so simple. So first you can just open your Twitch. Now you can just open your profile. You can go to account settings, go to security and privacy. You can just scroll down. There is an option allow viewer to upload your clips to their social. So viewer can directly post clips of your channel from Twitch to other media social media platform. If you want to disable this feature, you can just tap on the toggle in here. So now you have disabled this feature. So now no one can share your clips to their social media platform. So simple, right? So that is how to stop viewers to upload your clips to their socials. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.